Gotta go in there real slow too.
I'll probably be running from this one. There's plenty under there. I guess that's why they dovetail it, huh? Because it really sticks pretty good.
Well, they make all this brown stuff. That's that proboscis that they made. Not as long as you're not doing any jerking or sudden movements. If you want to come all the way around to here, you can get a look in kind of. Well, this top one's the honey super, so you know I left it with the honeycomb on there, the wax, the beeswax and stuff from last year. They just that way they don't have to start over new. See what they're working
on. Do you take them apart and start them over again?
What?
Do you like clean out that bottom and switch them out and start, or you just leave that bottom alone? They keep it how they need to keep it.
Like in the spring, yeah. Like I went through that in the spring here.
You hit one.
Just keep an eye out. They like start hitting you.
Mm-hmm. Then they're upset.
I would go away, but they're pretty calm. So. Yeah, in the spring you kind of clean up the hive, and a lot of times they'll build it all up in one or the other, so you just switch it off, put the emptier one on the bottom. Yeah, they're working on it.
So right now, the bottom is probably really
packed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That sustained them during the winter.
Mm-hmm. But you can see, I mean, look in the center ones, they're packed full.
No, they're looking at you now. They're starting to.
Especially since you don't have any gear.
Put your own copper over the top of that, or that came that way?
I bought them like that. It's fake, actually.
Copper coated tin.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Mr. Beekeeper. See you later. Bye.